Hello everyone, in this lecture I am going to explain you about find the difference. So here coming to the problem, you are given two strings s and t. String t is generated by random shuffling string s and then add one more letter at a random position. Return the letter that was added to t. So coming to example 1, here the input is they given in string s they given abcd and t they given abcde. So output is e. How this output was came explanation is the letter that was added. And coming to example 2 and 3 also, they given two strings. In that two strings they given some input. So what is the difference between those two strings we need to find out. So here I will solve it. First we need to take two variables, sum1 and I am initializing 0 and sum2. For that variable I am initializing 0. So for these two variables I am just initializing the value 0, and then for int I equal to 0, I less than, so I less than s dot length, I increment. In this loop I am mentioning sum1 equal to sum1 plus s dot character at I. And then coming to another loop, in this for loop I am mentioning int I equal to 0, I less than string name t dot length, and then I increment. In this sum2 equal to sum2 plus, here the another string name is t dot char at I. So this logic I am mentioning in these two loops, and here return character sum2 minus sum1. So this is the code and this is the logic behind it. So what I did, I just took some two variables name is sum1 and sum2. For those two variables I am initializing the value 0, and in this for loop I am just iterating the value from 0 to last element in that string s, and then that all elements will be stored in the variable sum1, and in this another for loop I am just iterating the values from 0 to last position element, and then that all elements will be stored in sum2, and then for finding the difference I am just in this return statement I am mentioning sum2 minus sum1. So by following this logic we can able to find the output or not. Now we will check. Yeah, so here we are getting the output clearly. In this first string they given a b c d, in this string 2 they given a b c d e. So here the difference is e. So here I am mentioning f g, and here I am mentioning e. Now I will check the difference. So here I given a b c d e in the string 1, and in another string a b c d e f I given. So here the difference it is showing clearly f variable by following this logic. So now I will submit this. So by doing so, if you find any doubts or any queries, you can mention your doubts in commentary session. Yeah, the result is success. So yeah, if you have any queries, you can mention your doubts in commentary session, and please do like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.